Good morning, viewers at home. This is on arithmetic progression. So when you have a sequence of numbers like this, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on, we call this kind of sequence an arithmetic progression. It is arithmetic because the difference between the numbers is 3. That is, 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 14 minus 11 is also 3. So we add 3 to the first term to get the second one. We add 3 to the second one to get the third number. So we have some basic terms here under the topic. We have A. A is usually used to represent the first term. So A is first term. D is the common difference. Like I said in this sequence, we can see that it is 3 that we add to give the next. So that 3 is the common difference, D. Then N is the number of terms, be it 5 terms, 6 terms, 10 terms. Then L is the last term. So we use L to represent the last term. Then nth term has its own formula when you are asked to find it. For instance, this sequence, if we are to get the 10th term of this sequence, it will be A plus n minus 1 into D. A is the first term, n is the number of terms, which is that 10. Then D is the common difference. So this one is the formula for sum of terms. When you are given this kind of AP and you are asked to find the sum of this arithmetic progression up to maybe 20th term, we use this formula or this one depending on the variables available, depending on the values that we have. That's what will determine which of these two formula for sum that we will use. Now back to the question that I posted earlier. A man's starting annual salary is 480,000 naira. Every year 36,000 naira is added. How much would he have earned altogether after 8 years? If you look at this question very well, we can apply the knowledge of arithmetic progression to solve this. The starting salary is 480,000 naira. That means our A is 480,000. Every year 36,000 naira is added. That 36,000 is D. That is the common difference. D is 36,000 naira. Now, how much will he have earned altogether after 8 years? That means our N is 8, because we are talking about 8 years. So now, if you look at the variables that we have A, we have D, we have N. This all together means we have to sum everything. So from these two formula of sum that we have the N, we have the A, and we have the D, all available in the question. That means we are going to take this formula. The sum will be N over 2, 2A plus N minus 1, multiplied by D. So my N is 8, that is 8 over 2. 2A means 2 times. My A is 480,000 naira. 480,000. So I'll put this one in a separate bracket. Plus N is 8 minus 1. My D is what? The common difference, which is 36,000 naira. Now 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 2 multiplied by 480,000 will give us 960,000 naira plus 8 minus 1, 7 multiplied by 36,000. So we have 4 multiplied by 960,000 plus, if you multiply 7 by this 36,000, we have 252,000 naira. So if you add the two values in the bracket, that will be 1,212,000 naira. So the final answer now, we multiply this 4 by what we have in the bracket. So that will give us 4,848,000 naira. That means if the man is to save every penny he has earned, this will be all the total sum after 8 years. Thank you.